Hey guys, this is Evie. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you Madam Glam's Black Friday sale. So you guys know that I love Madam Glam gel polishes. I use it for this set here that I will link down below if you guys are interested. But yes, Madam Glam has some of the best gel polishes around. And they're having 40% off of their entire site for Black Friday. So that is amazing. And they gave my viewers early access. So I'll be trying out this cat eye gel polish. I picked up a few of the cat eye polishes, but I want to try this one out, and I'm going to use a black base for this as well. If you pick up the cat eye gel polish, make sure to pick up this magnet as well. It's also on the Madam Glam website because you're going to need it. Alright, so I'm starting off with a coat of this perfect black gel polish, and I just love Madam Glam's polishes. They are so easy to work with and to apply, and I never have a problem with like coverage or anything like that. Also, I like to apply a generous first coat. I know some gel polishes say apply a thin coat, but you can go in kind of generous with this to get the coverage you need, and it won't wrinkle or anything when you're curing. I typically cure the Madam Glam polishes for 60 seconds in my LED lamp, but for the black polish I do 2 minutes just to make sure that everything is nice and cured. Alright, so now I'm going in with this cat eye gel polish, and this color is called Meteor Shower, and I'm just going to apply that over the black, making sure to get a nice even coverage. And this polish is beautiful without even doing the magnet thing, you know. Before I cure, I'm just gonna go in and hold this magnet over the nail, and as you can see, these particles move towards the magnet right away. You kind of just drag this where you want your particles to be. I kind of like it to be at a slant, so that's how I'm holding my magnet. Yeah, I just go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds and bam. And I just repeat this for all of the nails. And this turned out so beautiful. Look at this. And this took 5 minutes to do. So now I'm going in with the Madam Glam No Wipe Gel Top Coat. I get questions all the time about what is a good substitute for the Poochie's Nails Gel Top Coat, and this one is really good. I love that it is no wipe, which means it doesn't leave a tacky layer. It's shiny, and I also like that it's thick, so it doesn't run all over the place. It doesn't flood your cuticles. I really like this gel top coat, and it's affordable. Madam Glam always have coupons going on, so you can get this at a good discount. And even right now, you can get this for 40% off. So it's like, you know, it's a no-brainer. So yeah, this is how the nails turned out. I really like the cat eye gel, and I can't wait to try the rest. Make sure you head over to Madam Glam and check out their Black Friday sale. I mean, you cannot beat 40% off these amazing quality gel polishes. So I will leave the link down to Madam Glam down below, and make sure you click that link because that is how you're going to get the discount. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.